Hello students, so already you are familiar addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of the matrices. So as I told you, now I am giving you some more examples related to that. See here, compute the following, just they are asking the addition of these two matrices. So addition of these two matrices means just your work is go on adding the corresponding elements. In the first one, see the corresponding element. First element is A, here also the first element is A. A plus A. Then go for the next element. It is B plus B. But it is minus B and it is plus B. Again it is A plus A. Just we are adding the corresponding elements. And you are familiar with adding the algebraic terms. A plus A, that is 2A. B plus B, that is 2B. Now minus B plus B will be 0 and this is 2A. So this is first example. Second example here, A square plus B square, B square plus C square. This is the first matrix and this is the second matrix. Here also just you have to add the corresponding elements. See the corresponding elements, A square plus B square. This is the first element and here the first element is 2AB. Go for the second element, B square plus C square and it is plus 2BC. Then next one, A square plus C square minus 2AC plus into minus. Then A square plus B square plus into minus will be minus 2AB. So if the student want, they can keep the matrix as it is. But you are thorough in the formulas here. A square plus B square plus 2AB will be what? A plus B whole square. And here it is B plus C whole square. See, are you familiar with this? Yes. A square plus C square minus 2AC will be A minus C whole square. Similarly, the last one is A minus B whole square. See the students what we did? Just we are adding the corresponding elements. And now I am giving you two for example as a homework. So for assignment, just try that examples. It is nothing but simple addition. So note down these two questions and try this because these are only simple addition. You have to add the corresponding elements. So it makes you the practice and you should become perfect in this. Because there is one question for 5 marks in theory. Take these two as a assignment. Try yourself. I know I hope definitely you will get the answer. Note down these two questions and just add the corresponding elements and depending on the set, just go for the simplification. Now whatever I am giving, that is very important question. That type of questions they can ask in the examination for 5 marks. See, 3 matrices are given for you and the question is like this. See, these type of questions they can ask for 5 marks. So in the solutions, what you are doing? First we have to calculate a plus b and b minus c. First go for a plus b. For that I am writing matrix A. Then matrix B. Take the pen and paper, just solve with me only. Then it becomes very easy because I am giving the steps very slowly. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus into minus is minus 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1. Then 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Then 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Then 1 plus 3. See students, what we did? Just I wrote matrix A and matrix B. I am adding the corresponding elements. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 plus, it is minus, plus into minus will be minus, 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1. 5 plus 4 will be 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 1 plus 3, so it is 4. So directly I am adding the elements because now you are familiar with this addition. After that I am writing this one. A plus B minus C outside. A plus B already we calculated. 4, 1 minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3 minus 1, 4. After that I am writing middle minus C I am writing. 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. Now add, subtract the corresponding elements. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. 9 minus 0. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. I am taking this as equation 1. After that I am coming to B minus C. I am writing B minus C. For that I am writing B first. Then C I am writing. Just go for subtraction. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, it is minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So I am showing each and everything. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2. Each step, note down each step carefully. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus into minus becomes plus. 3 minus 3, 0. After that write down A plus B minus C. For that write down A first. 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1. Then middle plus. B minus C already we calculated. This addition. 1 plus into minus is minus, that is 1 minus 1, 0. Then 2 plus into minus is minus 0. Minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus into minus is minus, that is minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Then minus 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. This we are taking as equation 2. So they are asking to find a plus b, so we did. And after that a plus b minus c. After that we are calculating b minus c, then this result. See in equation 1 and 2, what you are observing? We are observing from 1 and 2. So it is a plus b minus c is equal to a plus b minus c. See, this is the students. Is it very simple or what? So now tell me why you are telling mathematics is difficult? It is very simple if you understand the examples correctly and if you calculate it very neatly, you will get the correct answer. Next example. If a is equal to 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3. This is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. The next one is 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. And b is equal to 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 2 by 5. Question is, then compute 3a minus 5b. So here it is very simple. It contains a scalar multiplication as well as subtraction. So write down 3a minus 5b. 3, I am writing a from the top as it is. After that minus 5 I kept as it is. T is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. Now take 3 inside, that is scalar multiplication. For scalar multiplication, you know, each number is multiplied with 3. See, tell me the students, what is it? 3 into 2 by 3? 3 into 2 by 3 will be like this. 3 and 3 get cancels. What is remaining? 2. This is just simple multiplication. 2 is remaining. This is 3. 5, because everywhere, wherever fraction 3 get cancels. See, every denominator is 3. 1, 2, 4, 7, 6 and it is 2. Minus. Keep minus as it is. Take only 5 inside. 2, 3, 5. It is 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. Now just go for a corresponding subtraction. Corresponding element subtraction. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Like that. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Then 4 minus 4 is again 0. Similarly, the remaining 3, they are also 0. So finally, you got the answer 0. See, is it simple or what? Next example. This is the problem. First, tell me students what you are doing. Yes, come on. First, we have to scalar multiplication. Simplification means just go on following this. Scalar multiplication means each number of this matrix is multiplied with cos theta. So cos theta into cos theta, it is cos square theta. Here it is written as cos theta into sin theta. Next one is written as minus cos theta into sin theta because of that minus sign. Then what is cos theta into cos theta? Cos square theta. Plus, now tell me, the next one is multiplied with what? Sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta. The next one is minus cos theta into sin theta. Here it is cos theta into sin theta. The next one is sin square theta. So just add the corresponding elements. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. The next one is cos theta into sin theta, plus into minus will be minus. The next one already minus this cos theta into sin theta, and that one is plus cos theta into sin theta. Add the next one, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now tell the students, cos square theta plus sin square theta, what is the identity? Basic trigonometric identity, it is 1. See these two terms, they are similar, middle minus, they get cancelled. Answer is 0. Here also the answer is, this is negative and this is plus, they have the same terms, so answer is 0. Again cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. The next answer, you can keep this as it is, the answer that is left with students. Or if you are familiar, if you are thorough in the types of matrices, this is nothing but identity matrix. The next one, find x and y if x plus y is 7, 0, 2, 5 and x minus y is 3, 0, 0, 3. See, if I am not wrong, already in the previous, one of the previous class I explained this type of example. I know you are familiar. So if we are solving, it is just like in the form of simultaneous equation. That's why starting only I wrote in the form of simultaneous equations. It is x plus y and it is x minus y. When you are adding these two simultaneous equations, plus y minus y get cancels. What is x plus x then? 2x. We are adding these two matrices because we are just adding. Remember, simultaneous means always students will change the sign. It is not necessary. Depending on the problem, we have to go for that. Now addition, simple addition. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0, that is 2. 5 plus 3, 8. This is what student? This is 2x. Then what will be x? Taking 2 on that side. X will be 1 by 2, 10, 0, 2, 8. When you multiply each number by 2, it will be scalar multiplication. 1 by 2 into 10 is 5. Like that, remaining multiplication. This is how we are finding the value of x. To find the value of y, consider any one of the equations. So here I am taking first one. Then we want y, to keep y as it is. Take x on that side. You are familiar. When you are taking on that side, it becomes subtraction because here it is a addition. Now already we calculated x value, just substitute that x value. Then go for corresponding subtraction. 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 0. 2 minus 1. 5 minus 4. This is 1. So this is y. So student, is it simple or what? So like this we are solving some more examples in the next classes.